Welcome to our video on understanding and cleansing negative energies in your home. Your house should be a sanctuary where you feel safe, relaxed, and at peace. However, over time, negative energies can accumulate, transforming your home into a place of tension and discomfort. In this video, we'll guide you through the signs that indicate the presence of negative energies and provide you with effective methods to cleanse and refresh your space. Whether you've experienced recent arguments, illnesses, or simply feel uneasy at home, our tips will help you restore harmony and positive energy. Join us as we explore the steps to identify and eliminate bad energies, ensuring your home becomes the place you deserve. Let's get started on bringing good vibes back to your home. We must always pay attention to the signals our house sends us. Before moving into a new space, whether it is a home or office, remember to clean it of any energy that may have remained from the previous owners. Energetic cleaning of the house is essential for personal well-being. What are the signs your home gives you? Although it may seem strange, our spaces talk to us by manifesting what is happening. It's a good idea to clean your house after someone has had an argument, been ill, or is experiencing work stress. If you've recently gone through a breakup, a major life transition, or are simply in a bad mood, eliminating negative energy from your home can help. Negative energy can seep into your home over time, so it's good to eliminate it every so often or when you feel it's time to do so. How to know if your house has negative energy? While the process can be quite simple, you must be very attentive. Determining if the energy in your home is good, bad, or neutral depends on how you feel while staying in it. A house filled with good energy feels fresh, vibrant, full of life, and you feel good being in it. We say it has good chi. A house with bad energy will make you feel suffocated or as if you are being crushed. You might feel tense and not want to stay in it, preferring to be elsewhere. Negative energy and stress go hand in hand. If you are constantly exhausted or on the verge of a nervous breakdown, your home could be partly responsible. Check these warning signs that you might be dealing with bad energy. Frequent illness among residents without a clear medical origin and lack of complete recovery. Economic troubles, money not flowing, and spending on unexpected expenses like medications and unplanned repairs. Negative or toxic relationships among residents, spouses, children, relatives, friends, with repeated violent situations and arguments that escalate unnecessarily. Seeing dark, black, brown, or gray shadows moving quickly out of the corner of your eye. Frequent pipe breaks, leaking faucets, permanent electrical problems, or exploding light bulbs. Continuous complaints from family members even when things are going well in their lives, indicating dense, negative energy has settled in. Frequent thefts. Pets that are always very restless and nervous. Plants that die or are always wilted despite care. General disorder and dirt in the home blocking the energy flow. Unidentified bad smells. Strange noises or unexplained knocks. Nightmares and restless dreams, especially in children. How to detect symptoms of a sick house and how to cure it. Always ask for the light of your essence to accompany you in these processes to enhance your perception and allow you to detect what is happening. Enter your house as if it were the first time, accessing from the main door. Walk through all the rooms, corners, and hallways, noting everything you see, hear, and perceive in each place, aromas, sounds, feel everything, even the smallest detail. Finish the tour at the point where you started. Then proceed to an energetic cleaning based on your notes. First, clean and organize your house. Before performing an energetic cleaning of a space, physically organize and clean the place. Put away or discard everything lying around. Do not leave items on the floor that can interrupt the energy flow. Clean all corners. Open all windows to let in light and fresh air while cleaning. Vacuum and remove cobwebs. Check that there are no damaged objects. Broken, chipped, non-functioning items full of dust promote dense energies. Check the attics. Keeping broken objects is a bad habit. Items that don't bring you joy and are broken indicate it's time to dispose of them and move on. Show the universe you can receive new items. Now, to eliminate the bad energies. When you have cleared the clutter and removed broken elements, you can finish the task. Smudging with white sage is a simple and quick way to eliminate negative energy. You can also use herbal mixtures like copal incense, expands your state of consciousness and is optimal for deep cleanings. White sage purifies the surrounding negative energy and balances the chakras. Rosemary cleans negative energies and protects against envy. Eucalyptus relieves emotions, providing mental clarity and peace, stimulates the immune system, and is antiseptic. Palo Santo expands vision as its smoke helps purify bad vibrations. Ma elevates the vibration of the space and everything it touches. When should you smudge your home? When you've just moved to a new house. If someone close to you has recently passed away. If you've suffered a significant economic loss. If there have been fights or arguments in your home or space. If being in your house causes you distress. When you feel exhausted even without making excessive efforts. How to smudge a house? Light the selected herbs in a well-ventilated area and let the flames extinguish. Stand in the center or main door of the room you want to clean. Before starting, cleanse yourself by gently fanning the smoke around your body from feet to head. Walk through the entire house, paying special attention to the walls, corners, floor, inside closets, and under beds. Visualize the smoke absorbing the negative energy and carrying it away. Firmly decree for all dense, negative presence to leave the house immediately. Some people choose to make positive affirmations while smudging. If comfortable, call upon your essence or a higher power to assist in the house cleaning. Light white candles in all rooms and let them burn out to bring light to your home. This is important. Do not leave candles unattended to avoid fire hazards. Firmly decree. Now my house is clean, purified, and at peace. Seal the entrances and corners of the house with salt and leave it for 48 hours. Then vacuum the salt. Many people also use salt lamps to continue cleaning energies. Place white flowers to radiate life and joy. At the end of the process, thank all the beings who participated and ask them to return to their respective dimensions. Blessed be. Type I am powerful in the comments. Continue learning. Watch this video now.